Hello everyone, I go by the name of Roxy Rose, and this right here is Roxy Rose Guides, cash stuffing of our savings challenges for the month of February 2026, y'all. We own it. Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. Y'all, let's start off with our wonderful subscribers. You are wanted and appreciated. So we thank you so much for coming back on this channel, my beautiful budget community. We love you. We thank you for being here. And yeah, you make me work, and I hope that I inspire you to continue on your budget dreams, okay? Today we are doing a cash stuffing of our savings challenges, and if you enjoy things like that, budget finance, debt payoff, cash stuffing, like and subscribe below and look at my last video up there to see if there's anything that you like, okay? I got playlists, I got stuff for you. If you want it, I got it, hopefully. All right, let's go ahead and get into today's stuffing. First things first, this is the rest of the money that I took out of the bank. So let's see how much that is. We have 50, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 40, 50, 200. So this is 200. Sorry, y'all, I'm adding in my head. But this 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that's 300. 300. Ooh, this is a nice crispy 5. This is a 5 from 1995. I was only, what, 6 years old? 6, 7? All right. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So $55. So 100, 200, $355 is what we are going to stuff today. Let's get to it. So we are starting with our February savings challenge. Look at this cute little savings challenge. I know you want to know where to get it. Where did I get it? I got it on the Etsy shop. My Etsy shop, by the way, Roxy Rose Guides. Check it out. The link is in the description below. But I have February, and if you're interested in March, I got one too. Okay. All right. So for February, we have $20 and $30, which is a total of $50. So I'm just gonna put $50 in here. Let's not make life harder than it has to be. It's $50 in there. And I'm going to color in these heart $50 that we got saved. We are halfway through February already, but we got, 2 more weeks. So I'm definitely going to leave those 2 open for now. Okay. I'm going to keep flipping and I'll put those in later. Next, we have our wonderful student loan savings challenge. If you have been on this channel for a while, you know I'm on the road to get, debt-free, right? I'm on a debt-free journey, but I also am trying this year to pay off a private student that I took out when I was merely 18 years old. Didn't know any better. Didn't know anything about finances at all. Okay, didn't have anybody to teach me about it. So there I go. Oh, this is red on a pink marker top. Don't mind the noise in the back. That's my babies. They're over there making a noise. Okay, so we got $50 for that. Then we have, all right, so now we have our 3-month savings challenge. All right, 3 months. Are we gonna make it in 3 months? I'm not so sure. Hold on. All right, so for this one, we are collecting $77. I don't have $77, but I need to get as close to it as possible. I remember last time I put more money in, so hopefully this time I'll be okay if I put less money in. I need to put in 20, 40, 60, 70. I'm gonna put 75. I put in a little bit more last time, so hopefully it'll even out. Let me count everything together. But yeah, there. That will count. Then we have self-care. Self-care, I changed some of them from 5 to 15. So I think that's what we're gonna focus on. I have a 5 and then I have 15. All right, so this one is definitely gonna be finished very soon. Okay, so we got $20 that we added in here. Now let's go to our favorite one. Yes, this is my favorite one. I got it on Etsy somewhere. My Saveopoly. I love Saveopolies. They're my favorite in life. All right, so we got Saveopoly. Let's shake it up. Shake it. Yes, we got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Save $20. There I go again. I'm gonna do it. Okay. Let me stop at 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Free parking. Okay. Let me take the hint and not roll. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and take this free parking and I'm not gonna roll again. I really want to roll again, but I'm not gonna roll again. I'm gonna keep it like this and just save the money. Okay, let's go to our 1K challenge, which definitely needs some money. Okay, we are gonna go ahead and put a good 25. I could put 50 into here, I think. So 25 each. I could put a good 50 out. So 20, 30, 40, $50 into there. Then we have our loan payoff challenge, which is $20 each. So I could hit a good $40 into there. 10, 20, 30, 40. That's pretty good. Let's see what else I can go ahead and save for. Just remember, guys, I'm saving money to do a giveaway. So once we are able to reach 2,000 subs, hopefully before the end of this year, the end of the year is a cutoff, or I'm keeping all this money. But if not, y'all, this money will be going to a lucky subscriber. I want to get my oldie but goodies, and I want to get my new subscribers also to be able to win this giveaway. All right, like and subscribe below if you're interested. But yeah, we got some more money to go ahead and put back into this, so let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. We can go ahead and definitely put into here for $20, and we can also put this here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I could definitely put in here for 1K challenge. I can't wait to fill these up. These are what I want to fill up, because once I reach my 1K and once I reach my loan challenge, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once I reach this, which is supposed to be $700 at the end, you know, that's 1,700. I'm gonna use all of that to go ahead and pay down those blasted no good student loans we always talk about. That's what I want to use it. Okay, I'm gonna put this $5 toward. You know what? I don't know where else I want to go ahead and spend this $5, but I just remembered. Oh, hello. You know, when you don't attach things, sometimes it gets harder. Hello, our 50 envelope savings challenge still needs to be stuffed. So let's go ahead and stuff this up. We have $5 here that I could definitely put right to the $5. So let's go ahead and put this in. Yes, it's important to stuff. So we have those $5 for this savings challenge, which I always love to stuff. It gets you over $1,000. It takes a little while, but it gets you over $1,000. So I'm excited. I have a few things that are supposed to get me $1,000 sooner than later, so that I can pay off that student loan debt. Thank you so much for joining me as I go ahead and stuff these wonderful savings challenges. A lot of them are in my Etsy shop, so check it out. It's a fun way to really save money. Someone mentioned, I think it was either Joy or someone recently mentioned to me that they have been doing a bunch of 2026 savings challenge. I need to definitely look into that. I'm a little behind, but we're only in February, so I would love to do a 2026 savings challenge. If you know any, please look the link in the comments. Okay, you guys take care. God bless, and Roxy Rose out.